Hello students. So today we will do the next agricultural practice, that is crop protection. Now crop protection means how we can protect our crops from weeds, from pests. First I will take here the protection from the weeds. Right? First of all you should know what are weeds. Weeds are what? These are unwanted plants, right, which grow with our main crops. Right? Now these weeds, they compete with the main crops, right? They are in between the main crop. For example, these are our main crops and these are the weeds. So here you can see there will be competition for the nutrients present in the soil among all these, right? So result will be that we will get the less yield of the crops. So they should be removed. Now how they can be removed? First, by the manual method, means by hand they can be removed. Second one, just before the tilling. Tilling means plowing. So when after harvesting previous crop, when the land is free, then these weeds, they start growing. So before sowing the next crop, these unwanted plants, they can be uprooted, right? They can be uprooted by the tilling, right? When plowing is done in a field, then automatically these weeds, they will be uprooted, right? Third one is by the chemicals which are called weedicides. What are weedicides? Weedicides, weedy means weeds, sides means killing effect, right? So means they can be removed by spraying certain chemicals which help in the killing of these weeds, right? But this practice should be minimized as it lead to adverse consequences, right? It will affect our means the environment. They will cause the later on soil pollution and water pollution also, right? So means these three are the main methods by which we can remove the unwanted these weeds, right? Second one is the protection from the pest. Second one I will discuss with you, that is the protection from the pests, right? How we can remove this, get rid of the pest. What are pests? First of all you should know what are the pests. These are the particular types of insects which attack, which harm our crops, right? So they should be they should be eradicated to get the maximum yield. Now these can be removed by spraying certain chemicals. These can be killed by spraying these chemicals which are called pesticides. I told you earlier, means cidal means the killing effect, right? So the chemicals which are used to kill the pests, they are called pesticides, and weedicides means the chemicals which are used to kill the weeds, right? That is the difference between weedicides and pesticides, right? So in this way, by the by spraying the chemicals, pesticides, we can kill the pests, right? Nowadays, by various biological methods, we can get rid of these pests also by keeping in view that we should minimize the use of the chemicals, right? By keeping in view their adverse effects on our environment. So you will study in higher classes about that biological methods, right? So this is all about this crop protection agricultural practice. First I have discussed with you the protection from weeds, and second one I have discussed with you the protection from pests. How we can enhance the yield of crops by killing the weeds and by killing the pests, right? Next agricultural practice is the next one is the harvesting. Harvesting is also very important. Harvesting means the cutting and gathering of crops after maturation. That is called harvesting, right? Means the cutting, and after cutting means the gathering is called harvesting. So now different methods are like if we talk about the fruits and vegetables, so they are plucked with hands, right? And if we talk about the wheat, maize, so you have seen that they can be separated from the main crop by threshing, right? This can be done manually or by a machine which is called a thresher, right? So sometimes a farm machine which is called combine is also used, means where both harvesting and threshing are done. That is called combine. Combine machine is what? Where both things are done, means the harvesting and the threshing, right? So this is all about the next agricultural practice, means the harvesting. So this is all about for today's topic. Do the reading of all this and clear the concepts. Thank you.